how to disable your Shopify store password. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to disable your store password on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will sign in to your shopify.com and you will get to the admin right here. On Shopify, you can actually see whenever we are doing something and you have created a store, you will see the option of password which says disable password or the password is activated. So how to actually disable it once and for all? For that, you will have to go to your online store. So once you select online store, and even if you select any of the options from this section, it will actually show you this pop-up, which is your online store is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manage password and it will take you right here. You can also access this page by just going to the online store and preferences. If you do not see the pop-up, then you can just go to the preferences and just scroll down to password protection. Now this is the password right here. You just need to remove it. Click on save and your password will be removed. But if you want to remove the password, if you want to disable it, you will have to pick a plan on Shopify. So if you're using Shopify for free or you're using a free trial, then you won't be able to disable the password. You will have to select a plan first. You can see we have basic Shopify, Shopify for $44, and we have advanced Shopify. So pick a plan, create a store, and then you will be able to disable the password. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.